Easy Handrail is ideal for both professional and do-it-yourself installations, since no special tools or skills are required. Whether installed at your home, business, or commercial project, you can rest assured the 25-year finish warranty and low maintenance of Easy Handrail will provide years of satisfaction and safety. In this video, we will show you how to install Easy round posts to wood and concrete. Before you start, ensure you have the proper tools: level, safety glasses, 5/16 inch and 7/16 inch hex bit drivers, tape measure, screw gun, pencil, drill bits, 1/4 inch wood, 1/4 inch masonry, 7/16 inch metal, ear protection, hammer drill, compressed air. When surface mounting posts to a wood or composite deck, install a backer board below the decking. We recommend the edge of the 5" by 5" base plate is fastened at least 1 3/4 inch in from the edge of the deck. Square up the post with the deck and mark all 4 holes with a pencil. At your pencil marks, drill a 1/4 inch hole through the decking and backer board. Using a 7/16 inch socket bit in your drill, thread the 1/4 inch by 4 inch through bolt with washer into the post plate, through the deck, and through the backer board. Thread the T-nut onto the 4 inch through bolt underneath the decking and backer board, teeth up. Tighten post firmly to deck, making sure post is plumb. We recommend using a level. Slide on optional post base cover for a decorative look. For now, simply set the cradle post cap bracket on the post, but do not fasten in place yet. When surface mounting posts to concrete, we recommend the edge of the 5" by 5" base plate is fastened at least 3 inches in from the edge of any concrete face, assuming normal weight concrete. Check your local code requirements for specifications. Square up the post with the concrete surface and mark all 4 holes. Remove post and at one mark, drill a 1/4 inch masonry bit to 3½ inches into the concrete. After you have created your first hole and checked the depth, you must blow out the remaining concrete dust in the hole using can air to ensure all concrete dust is out. Next, place the post base over the hole and then fasten the first wedge bolt in place, tightening over halfway to ensure the other 3 holes will align with marks. Drill the remaining 3 holes through the plate into the concrete. Be sure to blow out remaining concrete dust while installing the wedge bolt halfway every time you drill a hole to ensure the holes will align, making sure not to bind the drill bit to the plate. Then, tighten all anchors until the heads are firmly seated against the post base plate. Do not over-tighten. We recommend using a level to make sure the post is plumb. Slide on optional post base cover to conceal fasteners. For now, simply set the cradle post cap bracket on the post, but do not fasten in place yet. Notes: a taller post may be needed when installing on stairs, depending on placement. Check your local code requirements for post spacing requirements. Do not exceed more than 6 feet in between posts. To level the post, we recommend using stainless washers or composite shims, sold separately. Thank you for watching this video. Visit EasyHandrail.com to learn about our other products. For further assistance, call 573-365-7085 or email support@easyhandrail.com. Here's a quick look at more Easy products. Easy 1-inch baluster railing, Easy glass railing, Easy ADA handrail, and Easy screen.